Welcome to this tutorial on permutations with repetition. In this lesson, we are going to explore how to calculate the number of arrangements for a set of items when order matters and replacement is allowed. The formula we will be mastering is n to the power of r. First, let us define what this means. A permutation with repetition is a selection process where the sequence of your choices is important, meaning order matters. Crucially, after you pick an item, it goes back into the pool to be potentially chosen again. This is called replacement. There are two main ingredients to remember. First, order matters. For example, the number 1, 2, 3 is different from 3, 2, 1. Second, replacement is allowed. Imagine pulling a ball from a bag, noting its color, and putting it back. You can pick that same ball again on your next turn. The formula is elegant and simple. N raised to the power of r here, n represents the total number of options available to choose from in each step. R represents the number of selections you are making, or the number of slots you need to fill. To understand why the formula works, think of the slot method. If you have r slots to fill, and for each slot you have n choices, you simply multiply n by itself r times. First slot has n choices, times the second slot with n choices, and so on. Let's apply this to a real-world example, a 4-digit PIN code. Here our options n are the 10 digits from 0 to 9. We have 4 slots to fill, so r is 4. The calculation is 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, which is 10 to the power of 4, giving us 10,000 possible codes. Consider flipping a coin 3 times. The options n are just 2, heads or tails. We flip it 3 times, so r is 3. The number of possible outcomes is 2 to the power of 3, which equals 8. You can see on the tree diagram how these outcomes branch out. A very common mistake is mixing up the base and the exponent. Remember, it is the number of options raised to the power of the slots. So for our coin flip, it is 2 to the power of 3, not 3 to the power of 2. Always ask, which number represents the choices available each time? To summarize, use the formula n to the power of r when order is important and items can be reused. Remember that n is your total options, and r is the number of choices you make. Just think of the slot method and multiply the possibilities together.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.